Welcome to 67 Bermuda Pointe Circle on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Check out our other videos to test drive your drive home to this property and learn more about Bermuda Pointe amenities and points of interest along Skull Creek. You can also take an interactive self-guided 3D tour inside this property, and it's all available to you online along with lots of photos, property details, and floor plan. This balcony is one of 4 balconies at this home. The 2 back balconies have views of the lagoon, and the 2 balconies in front have peekaboo views of the tidal marshes by Skull Creek. You also have a tabby shell patio downstairs adjacent to the bonus room. '67 Bermuda Pointe is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with an additional bonus room downstairs. The kitchen has been nicely updated with stainless steel appliances, subway tile backsplash, and granite counters. Here in the living room, you have a gas log fireplace and 2 sliding glass doors out to the large screened balcony overlooking the lagoon. On the top floor, you have the owner's suite in back and 2 more bedrooms in front sharing a Jack and Jill bath. And that's our quick look around 67 Bermuda Pointe Circle. For more information or to schedule time to see this property in person, just give me a call. Thanks for visiting 67 Bermuda Pointe Circle.